How to bold text on X Twitter. First, open the X app. Let's get those tweets looking bold and beautiful. Now tap the feather icon to create a new tweet. Type your tweet as usual, but here is the trick. You can't just use the bold button. There is a secret way. Head to italics.com or similar site on your browser and type your text there. It will convert it into bold or italicized format automatically. Check it out. Once the text is bold, copy it to your clipboard. Now head back to your X app. Paste the bold text and it's ready to sign. Pro tip: want more cool effects? You can use the same site to generate italic, underlined, or even strike-through text. Make your tweets pop. And that's how you add bold text to your twist. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.